today in Animal Company, I'm going to be duplicating, but first I'm going to hand out one of the reloaded versions of the zipline gun. I got the ammo for it in a trade, and I have another reloaded one. And pumpkin. I am stacked. I also got this pink bag that is pretty OG. So I'm gonna go hand out one of these to a person that has nothing, and then yeah. All right.
Yo, you.
Yo, what? What?
You have something bigger or better to trade for this? Somebody traded me this.
Hey bro, you want chicken
Yeah,
nuggets?
okay, I'll take that. Thank you.
Sure.
Alright.
You guys are
Some
home
people
it.
call it gold,
You want
but
to
it's
go
really
to
chicken.
home it.
Brother.
Well, too bad you're gonna get more. I don't know what I'm doing.
Damn it. Do you minus me?
Where do you go?
Hey,
You minus me.
Wait, guys,
We have a presentation.
Alright, that lobby was very... Alright. Alright. So I will be duping once my friends get on. So I don't know what I'm gonna do until then. Alright. So I probably have one of the rarest combos. I got OG tablet, bro. I got pumpkin, and I even got that. I even have this bag, which is pretty OG. Alright, be looking in servers to see if anyone wants to dupe with me.
How did you respawn?
Grab onto my back. I'm a horse. Grab onto my back. Let me go on your back. Let me go on your back. Stop moving. Stop moving. Stop moving. I'm not going to. Go, horsey. Okay.
So I feel like everyone has one of these. I wonder if they're in the game now. I'm a dynamite glue. Hey, who wants to
Can I have
duplicate?
one? Just one?
Who wants to do you want to dupe with me?
Yeah.
I'm trying to dupe my stuff, my items.
I'm not ready to watch
You
it
do.
right now.
If I can try your
You're so
zip
annoying,
line,
Lulu.
yes I will.
I could just...
The pug guy was the one
Showing all
that
my loot.
Guys, what's up, my guys?
guys.
How you guys doing? What's up?
This server is actually...
You're gonna help me get some like ores?
Hey, what's up, my guy? What's up?
Join me on the board.
Hey.
Hey. By the way,
But I'm not duping my stuff.
yeah, I'm gonna dupe my stuff.
Yeah, but I'm not duping my stuff. Can I have one of these zip
Also-
lines? You have two.
Yeah, by the way, when I die, don't touch the stuff, because it won't duplicate, and the stuff that is there will despawn. So yeah.
'Kay.
So just don't touch the spot. Don't touch the stuff. All right. Let me just get
coming.
everything ready.
So this is supposed to dupe.
Yeah, I'm going to
And then-
duping my
Wait,
bag.
is the backpack supposed to dupe?
Huh?
Is everything supposed to dupe so I can have stuff?
Yeah. All right.
Yay! I do like today.
All right, but don't touch anything until I. Okay, I don't know if it's still recording. That's my question. Is it still recording? Yeah, it is. So, what you want to do? That's basically. That's how you duplicate.
it's your yo.
Hey, bro. Bruh.
I'm just kidding.
Yeah, you see what was in the bag?
No,
Ooh, the rope.
a pumpkin. Hey! Can I have an iPad?
So I think I was still recording. By the way, this bag still has stuff in it. It's got a jukebox.
What else can I have this?
So you think it was cool trying the rope one out?
Yeah. I want this.
No!
Can I have one?
Oh, you already got one.
Just one? No?
Alright. Don't use it! Bro. You already used it.
Hey, can I have do you have an extra rope?
Alright. Are you happy that I duped with you?
Can we do
I
more?
wanna do more.
Huh?
Alright. I'll dupe one more time, but remember, don't touch the stuff. What should I do?
And can you? Ooh.
By the way, don't use any of the rope guns. Don't use the rope gun, okay? Because
Okay. Here, dupe this. Dupe it.
I messed up.
Ooh.
No.
I'll
No,
take
give
it.
it back, bro. I'm gonna dupe it. But for some reason, I missed completely.
I'll buy you dynamite. I'll buy you dynamite. I'll have 50,000.
I got 600,000.
Hey, dupe this.
Why you
It's
want
this
me
crowbar.
to dupe the crowbar?
I gotta stand back.
So if it's still recording, that's how you dupe. So that is going to be my last time duping. I wonder if it's working.
So ting 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 ting. Get over here, punk. What is that?
Eli, stop screaming. Brother.
Okay. Hey, I want a backpack. I want this backpack. Since you're duped.
Alright, but I only want one thing from it. Let me find the item.
Okay.
Let me find the item. Alright, I want the rope. Alright, you can get everything else. I'm just walking. Oh, wait, I gotta make sure. So I got 4 of these on me right now. I'm gonna just walk into the lobby and be like, "Yo, guys, what's?" Now you know everyone's about to beg. I think I actually clicked PvP. No, I didn't.
Pink. Pink is purple. I'll give you this ray gun if you buy me shotgun shells. Oh, how you get ray gun shotgun shells? How did you? Really? Can you at least buy me shotgun shells? I need shotgun shells.
I don't have enough room.
How dare? Can you buy me? Can I have one? Can I have one? Can I have one? Bro, fly. Can I have one? Hey, yo. Put your bro. Can I have a revolver? I kind of. Wait, bro. Can I have one of those? Please? Can I please, bro?
I told you everyone was about to beg. Now this server is laggy.
No, run as soon as.
I'll trade you. I'll trade you.
Only one person.
I'll trade you. I'll trade you.
I got this. Yo,
I'll trade you.
Yo, my guy, I got this.
I've got a bunch of what are they called again? OG iPads.
Oh, here,
And also, what else are they called?
What's the RPG on?
Hold on. Follow me over here. Follow me over here. Follow me over here. Over there.
Bro, this guy just died. He's gonna take his bag. He's gonna take his bag. You can't put the bag on your back. You already got a bag.
No,
You know when it
my bag.
glitches? You know when it glitches? Well, you pick it up, and then it just someone else takes it out.
No way.
It did that.
Kid.
We have to do it. We have to do.
Oh, kid. Can I please? I'll give you my phone.
Can we do it?
I'll do what? Do what?
I want an RPG.
The backpack.
Yo, dude, for giving me that, you want this?
I got
For giving me that, you want
four
this?
loads.
Sure.
Okay, come here.
Just drop it over there. Drop it. I'll pick it up with the ray gun.
Bro, just get an RPG.
I'm in middle. Can I have a roll?
Yo, dude, can I get one?
That's
Can
you?
I get one? Single.
Alright,
I'll do it
what's
with you, please. I'll do
Yeah,
it with
I
you.
know.
What do you
I
want
see
for?
you. What
I'll
up?
do anything. If you actually are gay.
I only have one. Hold on.
Anything. I'll dupe it with you, and you. Please. Yes, please. I have a.
Okay,
Oh,
wait,
you
can
back.
you hear me? There's not always people in the black market.
Dog,
Sometimes
no.
it takes a
Dog,
little while
no.
for people to Okay.
Bro, he dropped his OG bag. Yo, I'll give you this zipline gun for that bag.
That's wild.
I need you to come.
Alright, okay. I've got it.
Guys, how
Bro.
am I supposed to get nods? How am I supposed to get nods?
Bro, you got it charged
Look,
up.
I'll use it.
Guys,
Just add me.
Can someone buy me RPG ammo?
Trey, just
Yo,
become
can
a
I-
suicide bomb like this.
Yo, who wants to trade for an OG?
know,
because I have a ton of stuff in the black market.
I spoiled the whole entire lobby, and I'm really bored. Can I please have one? I just spoiled the other lobby.
Hey, bro,
money you got?
I sent you a friend request on the thing.
entire
Accept
other
it.
lobby.
Yeah, he's
Everybody.
good. Like actually,
Bro.
he's listed 1,000.
Grab this. Grab
I don't
this.
care.
Come on. Grab
I have
this.
nothing,
Grab
bro.
this.
Please, bro. Why do I?
Everybody begging. I'm just looking for trades. So hopefully I should get the friend request thing. Yeah, he never. Oh, and he's here. All right.
Oh.
So yeah, I'll just give you this zipline gun for that bag. I don't know how he ended up dropping. Drop by your side. Drop it. Drop it and then go. No, nothing was in it. All right, that's good. So I probably got like one of the rarest out.
Wait, how do you get these?
Moderator. You have to be a moderator, or you have to be someone that a moderator gave it to you. So either a moderator has to give it to you,
a moderator?
or you have to be a moderator. But no.
Are you a moderator?
I'm not a moderator. I don't know. What are you guys trading? Yeah, that thing's lagging. Alright, so does bro know that? I think that's a W trade for bro. Nothing's in here.
Bro, did you get my stuff?
Yoink.
Bro, can I have one thing that's in there?
When we record
What's
the
the
video,
video?
yeah, sure.
Can I have
Can I have some stuff that's in there?
Oh.
It's gonna be a giveaway, okay? Here, can somebody give me like a rocket
I
or
got you.
something so I can get over there faster?
Bro, use your grapple.
Hold on.
My grapple hook doesn't work.
Oh.
There you go. Right.
Yeah, it
You're
doesn't
too
work
heavy.
if you're that heavy. Here. You're gonna need it in
Here,
two
somebody
if
hold
you're
this
that-
grapple
Press
hook
trigger.
real quick.
Press your bottom trigger to put it on your holster.
But I don't think he has the holster thing.
I only have the holster for my
He
left
literally had a grapple
one.
on his holster like 5 seconds ago.
Alright, can I have the grappler, please? Oh, fuck.
That's the no link.
Alright, everybody get on the couch
Sure.
if you want to be a part
I'm
of
already
it.
recording a video. It's I'll just
Look at
be
it in a video.
showing how to use the thing.
Hey, bro, can I have that
Alright,
back? Can I have
guys.
that extra bag?
All you guys need
Hey,
to do
you-
is
William,
one
can I have
thing,
that
and make
extra
sure you
bag?
don't steal everything that's here, okay? Leave some stuff for everyone.
Bro.
Alright, everybody get on the couch.
Friend board.
Everybody get
What is
on
that?
the couch.
I mean, I'm on it.
Alright, so, just on my cue, all you have to do is say Muhammad Al-Ghahari is a bum, okay? And you know how to say that? Muhammad Al-Ghahari is a bum. Muhammad Al-Ghahari is a bum. That's all you guys need to say.
Allah He's a bum.
Alright.
Sorry, bro. I don't know how to say that.
Alright, guys. You're making me go broke with these giveaways. Remember.
You just man.
Just remember.
You just man.
The one thing I taught you.
Muhammad is dumb.
No. I'm gonna play
Yeah,
some
Muhammad
baseball.
Al-Ghahari is dumb. That's close enough. We love you, Pookies. I love you. Oh my goodness. They're not loaded! Why are they loaded?
That's a you drop.
You guys got
Nice, I
everything?
take their food.
Yes, I got everything.
I love you, Pookie.
Alright,
Yeah, but
now it's time to do a giveaway of my own.
Well, guess what? If you want my loot, then go to
Bro,
grab it.
go moving around. That must have been
See if
very
you can
hard.
get it.
He had a grappler. Me over here, I got nothing.
Give me.
I'm probably gonna hand out the bag too.
I've been robbing everyone from east to south, from north to west.
I'm full weight, bro.
Look how fast I am.
I'm full weight and I'm
Okay,
fast.
well, I'll give you this for that bag.
No.
Oh yeah, shoot, it's full. I like how I put the. Hey, yo, bro, why is it so hard to move it like this? Bro, I'm just trying to move very fast. Hey, hey.
Yo, bro, I'm about to unlock that. One more research point. I just need one more research point.
Danger, I'm chasing. Hear about that. Hear about this though. Woo!
Man, I think
Party!
they liked what I did. Alright, peace. So, I do. Why?
Take it back to the
Where?
sticks.
Where did he go?
Yo, guys, the white guy's trying to kill you. The white guy's trying to kill you. How much wants to kill you if I have a bag full of punk?
I got 3.
Lucky.
Oh, 4, I think.
Lucky
Maybe even
aw.
5. I got no idea.
Lucky aw.
Just depends how many times I do.
You so lucky.
So I think
Luckier.
that guy. Alright, I'm gonna end the video here. So.
Wait, you're the guy from
Alright. I will be telling you guys how to duplicate. So all you have to do, you want to open up your main thing. You want to have your Wi-Fi. You want to go to quick settings. Then you want to click on your Wi-Fi. Have this ready. So then you turn off your Wi-Fi and then quit the game. But you want to do that when you explode. So you're gonna go outside safe zone. You need 2 people. You need a friend and you, the person that's gonna duplicate. So you just light this, and then when it explodes, turn your internet off and quit the game. Then turn it back on and rejoin the code. Rejoin the game. So that's how you duplicate.